Today's subject is corruption and accountability. I want to ask you, this is not a closed session, we're not editing anything. I, like millions of other Kenyans, are watching what is transpiring here live. There is no be editing this and cutting that out and say, everybody's watching what people have to say. I'm actually only disappointed that my friend Githongo, who is always out there, he is a great opportunity to challenge. I can see Minister Balala, everybody is here. Why didn't he come and raise those issues that he raises everywhere? Raise it here, let's debate it. Because the issue is that if people discuss, as I've always said, what the problems are, we get solutions. You don't need to be shouting out there at each other. Come, let's talk. It is in every Kenyan's interest for us to make progress, for us to find solutions. Nobody's leaving this country. Nobody's going anywhere. We're here to stay. So let's talk to each other. Let's find solutions. Let's not beat each other. We have no reason to beat each other. And I want to say, when it comes to this issue of corruption that has been at the center stage of Kenyan public debate, and like I've said, I've been watching, like many are watching. Whose role? Who is responsible? And I will say, as president, if there's one issue that has frustrated me, it's this issue. And I'll say why. Because the pressure is on me. Do something about corruption. Then I sit back and I ask myself, okay, show me an administration since independence that has taken action on corruption like I have done. I have removed everybody. Everybody who has ever been named or touched upon, starting on by Wakina Wako and all these fellows here. We have a case against so and so. I've done my part. At great expense, political also. By asking these people, okay, look, I don't know, step aside. And they've done it. Then where do we go from there? So, I'm innocent. And I say, I don't know whether you're innocent or guilty, but this is the case. Move aside. They move aside. I go and I say, okay, look, please, you investigators, everybody, I give you 3 months, I'm told, to prove innocence or guilt. I'm told, by the way, that pronouncement itself is unconstitutional. You have no power to say 3 months. We set up a multi-agency so that we can coordinate our affairs. Still no movement. I sit with the Chief Justice, please, why don't we expedite this? Still no movement. As Justice Kihara, I've just heard him sitting there saying, I wish that there would be a way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, guilty, innocent, if guilty, charged. Nothing. And by the way, I've taken the actions that I can take within the Constitution, respecting the Constitution. When we sit down, and I challenge all the agencies here, They say, oh, we don't have resources, we don't do. Again, that is within my power, giving them all the resources, and I challenge them today to stand up and say that we have been denied resources and that is why we are unable to move. The judiciary, I have even no role. I even actually challenged it and they went because it's themselves, right? And I was told that the Judicial Service Commission is the one that has the role, and they went because wenyewe kwa wenyewe kujidefend. They'll give me one name and my only role is to sign. Who is a judge? Who is the Chief Justice? I have no role. But yet I stand accused that the executive is not doing enough. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you want me to do? Yeah? This is just a political circus. Corruption is just being used as a political circus.